Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the intermediate tumor with malignant potential. Intermediate tumor with malignant potential is Kaposi's sarcoma. It is Kaposi's sarcoma. No. So, what is this Kaposi's sarcoma associated with? Kaposi's sarcoma is associated with human herpes virus type E. The organism is human herpes virus type 8. It is most commonly associated with HIV infection. The most common site of herpes simplex is the most common site of Kaposi's sarcoma is skin of leg. And if you were asked what is the second most common site of Kaposi's sarcoma is lymph node. So you know that Kaposi's sarcoma is associated with AIDS. Actually, there is one liner. This Kaposi's sarcoma is actually the second most common tumor which you can see in a patient suffering with HIV. If this is the second most common tumor, then what is the first most common tumor? The most common tumor which you can see in HIV patients is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is the most common tumor in HIV patients. So, what do you see grossly? Grossly, we see that there will be a patch which will progress to formation of a plaque, which will finally progress to formation of a nodule. So, what are you going to see microscopically? Microscopically, we see many spindle-shaped cells with hemorrhage. We are going to see many spindle-shaped cells. There will be many spindle-shaped cells like this which have blood vessels in it, that is hemorrhage in it. Okay, so these are spindle here you will see spindle shaped cells with hemorrhage is seen in them, right? So this is about the Kaposi's sarcoma. One more important thing is the classification. So if you see the classification of Kaposi's sarcoma, it is divided into 4 types of Kaposi's sarcoma. One, we have chronic or classical or European Kaposi's sarcoma. This chronic, classical or European Kaposi's sarcoma, this the most common site which you can see this is the skin. Skin is most commonly affected in chronic, classical or European Kaposi's sarcoma. Second, we have African or lymphadenopathic Kaposi's sarcoma. So as the name says, it is present in most commonly in Africa, and here the lymph nodes are most commonly affected here, that is African or lymphadenopathic Kaposi's sarcoma. Then we have third type which is called as transplant associated Kaposi's sarcoma. Transplant associated Kaposi's sarcoma, this will involve both skin and also visceral areas. Then the last type of Kaposi's sarcoma is HIV associated Kaposi's sarcoma. HIV associated Kaposi's sarcoma is seen in all the 4 types of Kaposi's sarcoma. So this is about Kaposi's sarcoma. Thank you for watching.